How to delete photos from Android. Well, in this guide, we'll explore for 5 clever ways to efficiently remove pictures from your device. Way 1. How to delete photos from gallery. Open Gallery or Photos. Go to the album with the photos to delete. Tap Menu upper right and choose Select Items. Select Photos. Tap Trash, top right. Confirm with OK or Move to Trash. How to delete pictures from Android phone via Assistant for Android. Step 1. Connect your Android device to a computer. Step 2. Allow the tool to recognize your phone. Step 3. Preview and handpick pictures for deletion. Way 3. How to delete photos from Android phone via File Manager app. Open File Manager on Android. Find the photo album in DSIM, Pictures, or Images. Hold the folder, select Recycle Bin or Delete to remove the album. Way 4. How to remove pictures from Android phone via Google Photos. Open Google Photos, select the photo, tap Trash icon. Backed up items in trash for 60 days. Confirm removal, tap Move to Trash. Access trash file library at bottom right. Touch Trash to permanently delete pictures. Way 5. How to remove pictures from phone by factory reset. Access your settings and navigate to System, select Advanced, and click on Reset Options. Choose Erase All Data Factory Reset. Click on Reset Phone. If prompted, enter your password or PIN. Finally, click Erase Everything. Extra, recover wrongly deleted photos on Android without backup. When photos are deleted from your Android phone, avoid further use to prevent overwriting if some of them are mistakenly removed. For recovery without a backup, try Mobican Doctor for Android. Install Android Recovery on computer, connect phone. Program recognizes device. Choose Photos. Click Next for scanning. If needed, root Android for thorough scan. Select Photos. Click Recover to save on computer.